I got a new machine in my studio, a laser engraver and cutter, and I just engraved my first wood printmaking plate. So let's see if it actually prints. In this video I'm going to show you a couple prints made from that plate: blind embossing, relief print and intaglio print. To engrave this plate I used 3mm basswood and I printed it on my G-Wake CO2 laser. So first a blind embossing print to see how it prints without ink. And to be honest, I really love this effect. So I'm sure I will be using this method to create some nice plates for embossing. Here you can see the plate and the blind embossing. And then I decided to print it relief. Most people using laser engraved plates do relief prints. So I wanted to try this. However, I wasn't sure if it's engraved deep enough. So will I have some chatter and marks? We'll see. So I'm inking the plate, and I already like even the ink plate. It looks so nice. And the image I used, it was a photography of a tree I took. So here you can see the inked plate, and you can see already that there is some ink in the trunk of the tree, so probably it will print, so it won't be a clean print. So first print, I printed it on a dry Strathmore 400 series paper, and it looked like this. Not bad, but if I'd like to do relief printmaking, I need to engrave those plates deeper. The second print, I printed a ghost print from the plate using a damp paper. So it's still, I think, printed quite well for a ghost print. Now it's time to try intaglio inking and see if those grooves will hold ink. I'm an intaglio printmaker mainly, so I much more like intaglio prints, so we'll see how it works. So I'm inking, I inked the plate, and now I'm wiping it with aqua tarlatan. So the ink will stay in the grooves and I will clean the surface. And I also decided to add surface roll with a blue ink, which is not recorded here, but you will see the effect. So let's see. I'm using again Strathmore 400 damp paper, and that's the print. And I must say, for the first intaglio print from that plate, I really like it. You can see a grain of the wood in the background. Here is the plate and the print. And then I decided to print it twice, again, using my favorite BFK paper and using a duotone surface roll. So that's the first print, and this is the second one, and I really like those two. So I see a lot of potential using this laser in my printmaking practice. So this is the last print on BFK paper. So here are all the prints: blind embossing, relief print on dry paper, ghost print on a damp paper, and 3 intaglio prints. First one on a Strathmore 400 series and 2 on BFK. So I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos, my other experiments with collagraphs and other printmaking methods, and also my book reviews. See you next time.